Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create your digital product. So before creating a digital product, you should have a few pages ready with yourself. The very first page, which is a sales page. Sales page where you are going to show the information about your product, whatever the product that you are selling. So each and every information that you have to showcase it over there, first thing. Second thing, the checkout page where a person or a customer or a visitor can make the payment. The form is the key factor. The order form is the key factor on the checkout page. Third, when they make the payment, then they will land to the thank you page. So these are the 3 pages that is required in order to create any product. So first of all, let's go to the projects and let's create these 3 projects, 3 pages very quickly. Now let's take I have a couple of project created like, over here. What needs to be done? Click on your projects, then my projects, and in this you have to create a new project. So we are going to create a product launch. Or you can say a sales funnel that you can connect your pages with that product. So let's take I am giving a FlexiFunnels training product. I have given the name of this project, and, now I'm selecting the sales funnel, okay? If I'm selecting the sales funnel, then click on the Create button. Once you click on the Create button, now it will take you inside the project where you can see all those pages that are there, the very first thing. Second, what is required right now, which is sales page. So first of all, you have to click on the sales page, and then click on the sales page at the top category. And you can select any template, whatever the niche that you're working in, whatever the domain that you are working in. And if you want to create a blank, you can also select this one as well. So just to give you a clarity, I'm selecting this first page, select. Click on the select button. First you have clicked on it, now your page is ready. You have to go and publish it. Before that, we will just also create 2 more pages that I told you, which is checkout page and thank you page. So checkout page is this one, which is there. And you have to select the checkout category. So click on the checkout category. And we have a couple of pages, a lot of templates over here where you can use it. So I'm just quickly going to select, this one. Okay. This is the checkout page that I have selected. Now, the last page will be the thank you page, okay? So know what we are going to do. Click on the thank you and download page. Simply thank you page, okay? We have a lot of categories in this, and we have a lot of templates inside the thank you page as well. So what you're going to do, select any template that you like about the thank you. Let's take this one. I liked it. So now your pages are ready. Sales page, checkout page, and thank you page. And now the major step comes into the picture, how to create a product. So how to create a product. You can see at the top there are dashboard, products, pages, and funnels. So what I'll do, I'll just right click on it, open it in a new tab. Go in a new tab. There you can see a lot of products are created. Now we are going to create it from scratch. What we are going to do, so this is the product. You can see the create new product. Click on the create new product. You will see the 2 products over here. Select the very first one, which is where you are selling a product in which, ebook, events, or any other product. We're just collecting the payments. But the second product is where you are created. Where you have created a course in WHE, then you are selling that course. That is a membership product. So that's the difference of digital and membership. Right now, we are creating the digital product. Now click on this, select this checkbox, and then click on the continue. This is how your interface will look once you created a product. Now we have to give some, general information over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just changing this. So FlexiFunnels training product. Okay, I've given the product title. What's the name of your product? Now we have to make it live. You can also upload the images if you want to, but that will be visible in here itself and in your FlexiFunnels dashboard. Okay? That's the first thing. Second, which is a payment option, I have a couple of payment options over here, but, you have to create it from scratch. So right now, I'm just randomly selecting any of the payment gateways. You have to register at either of the payment gateways that we have. You just need to click on it, and it will take you to this page where you can see the entire payment gateways are over here. So you can connect it over here. There are a lot of payment gateways. Click on it, and you will find a couple of payment gateways over here. So where you can connect it, okay? Now let's back to the product. After connecting the payment gateway, you have to select the pricing. So let's take right now I have selected a dummy. But whatever the price is when you are going to connect or create your product, you have to set up the pricing. Let's take I'm just randomly putting it 10 rupees, okay? Now, next. Once you have clicked on the next, it will ask you one-time payment. You can also put your information if you want. Now click on the save button. I'm just keeping it as it is, okay? Now, I told you at the very starting of the video, which is sales page, checkout page, and thank you page. Here we are going to select the sales page. So which was the product? What was the project that we have created? Which is by the name of FlexiFunnels training product, correct? Click on this one. Now we are going to select that sales page. What was the name of that page? Which is sales page. Click on the sales page. Now the next one. There is a checkout page. In this, again, we have to select the project. Inside the project, we have created the checkout page. So here we are going to select the checkout page as well. So click on the checkout page. Now, we have connected our sales page and checkout page. Now, click on the next step. This step is also done. You can see the check mark, so check mark over here. Now, I'm just putting a random email ID over here, which is help@flexifunnels.com, but you have to mention your support URL or your email ID so that whenever your customer face any issue, they will redirect on this email so that they can reach out to you. Okay, that's the support and email URL. Digital asset. It's simply meaning of digital asset. For example, if you are selling any ebook, where you have to create the digital asset inside the FlexiFunnels, that you can connect it over here. So when somebody purchases your product, so they will get the PDF, they will get the document of whatever the digital asset that you have attached. Okay? That's the thing. Now, over here, select the project. In this select a project, you have to select the thank you page. We have discussed sales page, checkout page, and thank you page. Product training, product. This was the project where we have created the thank you page. In this, we have to select the thank you and download page. That's why we have created over there, okay? So these are all the things that we have to connect it. Now, click on the next one. It will take you to the bump. Bump is simply, it's addition of, your product. So let's take an example. If you are selling a phone, okay? iPhone, or whatever the phone. You can also see that I can also pitch on the same page, which is, temper glass. I can also sell that, back cover. So these are all the bump products that is complementing your main product, which is phone, okay? So that is the meaning of bump, where you can also create it over here as well. But right now, we are not creating. Simply, we'll keep it all like this. Set rules. Set rules is basically where you can just pass the data. So for example, if I'm going to buy your product, so I will put my information, my name, email, phone number. And when I'm filling it over there, I have to, fill the information on your checkout page, okay? So once I make the payment, you will get my details. My name, email, phone number, whatever the fields that you have added. So in this, With the help of this, you can also pass the data to your autoresponder, to the web, to the Google Sheets as well. So this is the meaning of set rules over here. Cart abandonment. Cart abandonment. Over here, you have to set up the cart abandonment sequences. For example, anyhow, anything happened, I was not able to make the payment. So I have set up some of the emails. It will trigger automatically. So you have to enable this thing so that person will get the email notification. Hey, you are buying this product, and somehow you were unable to purchase it. You were not able to make the payment. So here, you can again buy this link. So they will send the link. So this is how this entire thing will work. This is the cart abandonment feature. Conversion API. It's simply meanings of tracking your sales, your page visits. It's simply a good way you can track your customers, who is coming, who is not coming, everything about that. Conversion API. And last but not the least, which is the statistics. In statistics, where you will see all the data of your purchases, of the failed payments, of the pending payments. So this is how all the pointers that I've covered it inside the process. So this will be the whole process of creating a product. That's it. Over here, I'll just quickly save this. And I'll click on the next, then I'll click on the save, and I'm going to save this page as well. Now, your product is saved. So if you go back within your product, you will see your product is live. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going again back to the project, where I have to connect all those pages I have to connect that to my product with the sales page, so that only then, people can make the payment. So now, if I'm going to click on this edit page, I'll open all these pages because I have to publish it. So I'm opening all my sales palm on my sales page, my checkout page, and my thank you page in a new window so that I can publish all those pages. So checkout page and sales page, you have to publish it. This is a checkout page, and this is a thank you page, okay? Over here, this is the button. So the main thing over here is, which is connecting your product with the button of the sales page that you have added. So for example, this is my product, and I have to connect my button, my product over here. So here it is, the add product. And once you are going at the bottom, you will see FF training product. This was the product we have just created, so I have connected this one over here. Now, similarly, you have to connect with all the buttons that is existing on this page. Okay? Now click on the Publish button. Now, what will happen if I click on the Sales page button? So it will take me to the Checkout page, and after taking me, when I make the payment, and then it will take me to the Thank You page. So this will be the whole journey, while you are creating your sales product. Okay? Now I'm clicking over here, just to showcase you. This is my sales page, and when I'm clicking onto this, it will take me to the checkout page, where you can see my product name is there, my pricing is there. You can see the payment gateway is also there, where I can make the payment. So this will be the whole process in order to create a product. That's it from my side. Thank you so much.